Ken Blanchard of the 1 Minute Manager fame said effective praising has to be specific. Just walking around and saying thanks for everything is meaningless. If you say great job to a poor performer and the same thing to a good performer, you'll sound ridiculous to the poor performer and you'll demotivate the good performer. The key is in the specificity of the words that you use. Think about exactly what that employee did that's worth noting. What gets recognized gets repeated. So give as many details as you can. And over time, your staff will realize that you're paying attention to the good that they do and not just the bad. Here are 3 tips for you to acknowledge your team. Say thank you early and often. When you hear a thank you from somebody else, make sure that you say you're welcome or my pleasure. Keep track of the good things that your employees do. It certainly makes performance reviews more pleasant. And don't wait for someone to have to go above and beyond to recognize them. When somebody is making progress, recognize them for their efforts.